Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did my foundation routine for you guys. It's pretty quick. I just wanted y'all to see how I did my foundation, because when I do like my makeup tutorials, I usually do my foundation off camera. So I just wanted to come and show y'all how I did that. So if you want to see how I get this bomb glowy skin, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna take is my MAC Prep and Prime Skin Massage, and I do like 1.5 pumps. This stuff feels so nice on my skin, so I just put that all over my skin. And then for my foundation, I've been using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then the Hyper Real foundation in Gold FX. And then to apply my foundation mixture, I use the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush, and I just mix it with the back of the brush, and then I apply it once it's all mixed. Okay, so that's my foundation applied. Do y'all see how like easy that was? So then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just gonna put it on the highlight areas. Then I'm gonna take my MAC 270S. Like, this is my favorite concealer brush. This brush is so bomb. Like, get y'all one. It's bomb. Then I go back in with the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush again, just to blend out the edges of that concealer. So now that I have my concealer blended out, once I am about to apply my under eye powder, I'm going to blend it out one more time and then apply the powder. So the powder that I'm going to use is the CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder in the shade Translucent Medium. I'm going to take it on my Real Techniques sponge. So I'm just going to go back and blend my concealer out again so I don't have any creases. And when I set it, I only set in this area because when I put my highlight needs something to stick to, so I don't put it all the way out. I just put it in a little triangle here. So while I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques medium sculpting brush and my MAC blunt blush to contour. So the reason that I contour while my foundation is still kind of wet is so that my contour can stick. So I'm just gonna go in with some Fix Plus from MAC and the sponge that I used for my powder. I'm gonna spray the sponge and I'm going to pat the powder in. Alright, so as y'all can see, that powder like disappeared. Like my face looks flawless and I still have like the sheen. So I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter, and I'm using the Juvia's Place highlighter in Nubia with my Morphe M501 highlighting brush. And then for just a quick set for the rest of my face, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan and my e.l.f. face brush. Is this the face brush? No, this is the powder brush. e.l.f. powder brush. And I'm just going to do a light dusting. And then to finish off, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, and that's how I do my foundation. It's quick and easy and simple. Like once you get a routine going down, like you'll be like a pro at it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on your bell notification as well. And I'll see y'all in my next video.